Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Cipher, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Maya.
Hello, Maya. Hello, everyone. It is great to be here today. I am Elias.
How are you today, Elias?
I am very good, thank you. I am feeling very happy and relaxed. And you, Maya, how are you?
I am very happy too. I have my morning coffee, and I am feeling very excited about our topic today.
Oh, yes. Today's topic is very interesting. I like it a lot.
Me too. Today, we are going to talk about the future, our future dreams, and our future plans.
Wow, the future. That sounds like a very big and exciting topic.
It is, but we can talk about big dreams for our lives and small plans for tomorrow. It is always fun to think about.
Yes, it is. Before we start, everyone, please give this video a like.
Yes, and please subscribe to the English Cipher channel and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Exactly. Okay, Maya, let's talk about the future. Where do we start?
Let's start with jobs. It is a classic question. What do you want to be in the future, Elias?
A job? That is a very good question. I think I want to open an antique bookstore.
A surprised? An antique bookstore? Really? Wow! That is so cool!
Yes, I love old books. I love reading and I love history. I want to have a quiet shop with wooden shelves.
That is wonderful. What kind of books do you want to sell?
I want to sell rare books, mystery books, and classic poetry. A place where people can come and read in peace.
I love bookstores. You can save a nice, comfortable chair for me.
Yes, of course. I will make a cup of tea for you when you visit.
Great. So you want a big store or a small store?
I think a small, friendly store. A place where people are happy and quiet.
That sounds so nice. A happy place with good books. I would go there every day.
Thank you, Maya. Okay, your turn. What job do you want in the future?
Well, I love baking very, very much.
Ah, okay. So you want a job with food?
Yes, exactly. I want to own a small, cozy bakery. I want to be a baker.
A baker? That is a fantastic job. You would be so good at it.
Thank you. I want to wake up early and bake fresh bread, chocolate cakes, and fruit pies.
That sounds delicious. So, Chef Maya in the future?
Yes, maybe. I think baking for people is a very happy job. It brings joy to people.
I agree. That is a very happy job. Okay, so I have a bookstore and you have a bakery. A great future.
It is. Now, let's talk about something else. How about travel?
Ooh, travel. I love to travel. I want to go to many, many places.
Me too. Where do you want to go first? Your number one place.
My number one place? I think it is Scotland.
Scotland? Wow! Why Scotland?
I think it is a beautiful country. I want to see the green mountains and the old stone castles.
Yes, I have seen pictures. It looks amazing. What about the weather? It is very cold there.
That is okay. I like the cold. I want to wear a thick coat and walk near the beautiful lakes.
That sounds like a wonderful trip. Are you going to drink Scottish tea?
Yes, I will sit by a warm fire and drink tea. It will be perfect.
That is true. It is very peaceful. Good choice, Elias.
Thanks. So, what about you, Maya? Where do you want to travel?
My number one place is Italy, specifically the Amalfi Coast.
Italy? Oh, that is so different from Scotland. Why Italy?
I want to see the bright blue ocean, the colorful houses on the cliffs, and the beautiful sunshine.
Ah, of course. You love warm weather.
Yes! I want to walk near the beach and feel the warm sun on my face. It is a dream for me.
That sounds incredible. And Italy has beautiful food, too.
Oh, yes, for the future baker. I want to eat fresh pasta, authentic pizza, and a lot of gelato.
Perfect. A perfect vacation. You see the ocean and you relax with good food.
Yes, my perfect trip. We have great travel plans.
We do. A trip to Scotland and a trip to Italy. I like our future.
Me too. So, we have a job and we have travel plans. What about a house? Where do you want to live?
A house? I am not sure. Maybe in a city? Maybe in the country? What do you like about the city, Maya?
I like that cities are busy. There are many restaurants, coffee shops, and cinemas. It is exciting.
That is true. Your small bakery would be very good in a busy city.
Yes, exactly. But I also like the country. It is quiet and green.
I understand. I love the country. It is so peaceful and calm.
So you want to live in the country?
Yes, I do. I want a small wooden cabin next to a quiet lake.
A cabin by a lake? What do you want near your cabin?
I want tall pine trees. I want to open my window and hear the birds singing in the morning.
That sounds beautiful. And you can have animals in the country.
Yes, I want to have a dog. A big, friendly golden retriever. We will go for walks every day.
A big dog! Wow! Your house will be full of joy.
I hope so. What about you, Maya? Do you want a pet?
I like pets. I think I want a cat. Actually, 2 small fluffy cats.
2 fluffy cats. They are so elegant and soft.
Yes, they can sleep in my bakery during the day.
That is a good plan. So, a small cabin in the country for me. And for you, city or country?
I think I will have an apartment in the city. A nice apartment with large windows.
Large windows are very important for sunlight.
Yes, it is the most important thing. I need space to feel happy and bright.
I understand. Your future apartment sounds great.
Thank you. And your future cabin sounds so peaceful and lovely.
Thank you, Maya. Okay, let's think. We have jobs, travel, and homes. What is next in the future?
What about learning something new? A new skill?
Ooh, that is a good one. A new hobby or skill. Do you want to learn something new?
Yes, I do. I want to learn how to paint with watercolors.
Watercolors? That is so beautiful. I love painting.
Me too. It is relaxing. I want to sit in my city apartment and paint flowers and landscapes.
That sounds wonderful. Do you think it is difficult?
Maybe a little difficult at the start, but I can practice. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, you are right. You can do it. It will be very fun.
I think so. What about you, Elias? What new skill do you want to learn?
I want to learn how to play the piano.
The piano! Wow, Elias? That is so classic and elegant.
Yes, I love classical music. It makes me feel calm. I think it is a very beautiful instrument.
It is. You can take a music class.
Yes, I will find a good teacher. I want to learn how to read music slowly.
You will be a great piano player. I am sure of it.
Thank you. So you paint with watercolors and I play the piano. We are very artistic.
We are. Our future is full of books, food, animals, travel, and art.
It is a very good future. I like it.
Me too. Let's think about smaller things. Not big dreams, but small plans.
Okay, good idea. Like, what are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Okay. Tomorrow, I am going to go to the park.
Oh, nice. To walk?
Yes. To walk and maybe read a book on a bench. It is going to be a sunny day.
That sounds very relaxing. A good plan for tomorrow. What about you? What are you going to do tomorrow?
I just answered. What are you going to do tomorrow, Elias?
Oh, excuse me. Tomorrow, I am going to call my best friend. We are going to talk for a long time.
That is always nice. It is important to talk to friends.
Yes, it is. And I am going to make a chocolate cake.
A chocolate cake! Can I come to your house?
Of course. There is cake for you too.
Yay! Thank you. See, the small plans for the future are also very good.
Yes. Okay, what about next week? Do you have any plans for next week?
Next week? Yes. I am going to go to the library.
The library. Are you going to get a book?
Yes. I want to get a new book to read. I love reading.
Me too. What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure stories. Stories about travel and new places.
That is perfect for a future traveler to Italy.
Yes, it is good practice. What are you going to do next week, Elias?
Next week, I am going to watch a new movie.
Oh, nice. At home or at the cinema?
At the cinema. I love the big screen and the fresh popcorn.
Me too. Popcorn at the cinema is the best. What movie are you going to see?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe a mystery. I like to solve puzzles.
Mysteries are great for a detective. A good mystery is always a good plan.
I agree. So, our near future is also very nice. Park, friends, cake, library, and cinema.
It is a great week. It is good to have small things to look forward to.
Exactly. It makes every day happy. Big dreams are for the future, but small plans are for now.
That is very true. I feel very positive talking about all of this.
Me too. It is fun to imagine all the good things that are coming.
So, we have your antique bookstore and my cozy bakery.
Yes, and your trip to Italy and my trip to Scotland. My cabin by the lake and your apartment in the city.
My 2 cats and your friendly dog.
Don't forget my piano and your beautiful watercolor paintings.
I would never forget that. Our future sounds really, really lovely, Elias.
It really does, Maya. And it is important to dream. It gives us motivation.
Yes, it makes us want to learn and work hard today.
That is right. to make our dreams happen. Even if the dreams change, it is okay. The important thing is to look forward with a smile.
Yes, exactly. Maybe tomorrow I will want to be an astronaut.
An astronaut baker. You can bake bread in space.
Wow, a bakery on the moon. That is a very big dream.
It is, but it is a fun dream. It is good to have big dreams and small dreams.
I agree 100%. This was a really wonderful conversation, Elias.
It was. I feel so inspired now. I want to go and read a book about Scotland right now.
Yes, please do that. And I want to find a good recipe for chocolate cake.
I will wait for that cake. It seems we are near the end of our episode today.
Oh, yes. Time goes fast when we are having a pleasant conversation.
It always does. This was a great topic.
It was. And now we want to hear from you, our listeners.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us about your future.
What do you want to be? Where do you want to travel? Tell us one of your dreams.
It can be a big dream or a small plan for tomorrow. We want to read everything.
We do. Your comments make us so happy. And don't forget to subscribe to the English Cipher for more easy and calm English conversations.
Please share this episode with your friends and family. It helps our channel a lot.
Yes, it does. Thank you all so much for listening today.
It was wonderful to spend this time with you. Keep dreaming and keep learning.
That is right. Until next time, goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Case closed.